Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And we have a wonderful another Your Nail Lab box for September, and this thing is packed full of goodies. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys know the drill. I am just going to kind of be pulling things out from here. So the first items up for grabs were these cute little charms. Now, I could not find these on their website, and there's always like a couple items that I have trouble finding on their website, but I'm typically able to find it on Amazon. These ones I found on Amazon for $7.99. They weren't like exactly the same, but they were in like the same case, and most of them were the same. So these are cute little 3D Halloween charms, and you better believe I will be using some of them. I'm just gonna dump this one out on this sheet of paper so we can kind of like see what we've got going on here. It's like so cute and like thoughtful at the same time. I feel like they gave us a bag. Oh my god, would you cooperate? There's like so many different ones. There are just like regular pumpkins and ghosts and spiders. Like this spider I'm definitely using because it's cute. It's got like a little gem on its back. Like I don't know, they're cute, and I can totally see myself using them, not just like for Halloween, but there are definitely a couple fall ones in there too. I mean, the majority are Halloween, but they're really cute. Like, I'm down for it. Like I said, if you follow them, then you already know what's in the box, so it's no surprise to you. But I don't know, I like unboxing videos even when I know what it is or what's coming. They're always fun to watch in my opinion. So, and we have some of these like large glitter cutouts. I will say this is packaged really nicely. Like, it's covered in saran wrap so the stuff doesn't like get all over the place. There are some that have just like some chunky glitter, and then obviously like your typical pumpkins and black cats and spiders and skeletons. Like, super cute. Definitely cute for like a clear nail situation, or even just like a topper glitter. Again, I'm down for it. And that one is $11.99, and you can buy that on their website actually. And then the next thing are just, oh my god, guys, help this woman, please. We just have like some fall stickers, so of course some Halloween themed, and then I like that they included the leaves in this, and I think these ones might even be glow in the dark. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like they are. They have that like weird sort of yellowish tint to them, but I like these because honestly the fall is not just about Halloween. We have Thanksgiving and we have like the beginning of fall, you know. We haven't quite gotten to Halloween yet, but trust me, when we get there, girlfriend, I'm gonna be sending out some bangers. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna grab is this cute little brush. Like, I'm obsessed with this. And also the stickers I found, they were $5.99, sorry, on Amazon. And then this beautiful little brush is $7.99, and I found like this exact brush on Amazon. So you could have gotten it in gold or silver, but I kind of like the gold. I don't know like how well it will do as like a dust brush. It almost feels like a makeup brush. It's very soft. I feel like most nail brushes are like really almost like harder bristles to like get rid of all the dust and stuff, but neither here nor there. It's cute, and even if I don't use it, I'll definitely keep it on my desk. The next little items, again, another thing that I couldn't find on their website but did find on Amazon, are these shimmer solid watercolors. Now, there are instructions inside, but I will assume that you just use these to like paint designs on your nails. They didn't do any tutorials for them, but they're pretty good. I will say like their Instagram customer service is really good. Like, when you ask something or like request a look with something, they almost always do it, or at least have like a plan to do it. As a matter of fact, I reached out to them because I've been getting my boxes like really late in the month, which pushes my video off very late. It's kind of like unfair because I'm not gonna say it's unfair, but it kind of stinks for me because it pushes all my videos like after everyone else has already released their unboxing videos. So I reached out to them and I was like, is there any chance like I could get a delivery sooner? Like, I know I'm not like an affiliate or anything, but like, would it be possible? And they ended up changing my order date to the 1st. So I will most likely then get it like the 2nd week of the month, which will make the videos come out earlier. So I'm excited about that. Those little paints I found for $8.99 on Amazon, and I'm pretty like intrigued by them. It's one of those items I can't wait to play with, but like have no idea how to use it. Moving along, we have these Galaxy Gloss paint nail polishes. These are like really interesting. They're not like a chrome polish, but they are at the same time. This is called Capella, and it's like a green gold shift, and I just want to swatch it here so we can kind of get the lay of the land. Like, it looks green, but then when you see it on people's nails, it almost looks gold. So is this nail polish or is this gel polish? Because this smells like nail polish. Interesting. It says holographic pink polish. I think this is actual nail polish. What? I didn't realize that. I didn't even know they sold regular nail polish. Actually, I did, because they have that awesome colors or whatever, right? Interesting. Cute little bottle. I'm excited to see that, how it works. They did post a video the other day with these, so in case you want to see how they look in person, go check out their Instagram. I'll link their Instagram down below. They give like sneak peeks and stuff like that. Oh, this is pretty. This is a color that I would gravitate more towards. The green, not so much, but it actually is probably like a good fall color. I was not expecting that. I haven't worked with regular nail polish in so long, so that smell hit me like a ton of bricks. Okay, next item are the glitters. These are fantastic looking glitters. You guys know I like anything sparkly, so they always get me with the glitters. These are not on their website, and I couldn't find like an exact price for you because there's so many glitter on Amazon. I mean, you can get anything from like $1.99 to like $12.99. Like, it just depends. I couldn't find like the exact ones like in the little pots, but like there's so much glitter on Amazon, so you know, it could be anywhere. I'm very intrigued by the colors that they've included because these are definitely fall shades. Like, you have like your blacks and your grays, and like, I mean, you have like a couple like typical colors here, but I feel like you could definitely get like a good Halloween look out of this. Also, I hate these cases because they're such a trick, because it's not a case. Like, it's not. The lid just comes right off. All right? Anyways, we all know I lost the glitter somewhere in my room, and I'm still mad about it. All right? We have one of their duo sets. However, I couldn't find this one on their website, and I don't know if it's just like, sorry, I'm trying to get into the box. I don't know if it's like one of their old products or if it's new, because I've noticed they kind of give us like one new item in our boxes. I don't know if you guys have picked up on that yet, but anyways, something really fantastic about these are they are color changing polishes. So this is called Sunsetter. It's like a yellow to green shift. So when it's warm, it's green, and when it's cold, it's green, and when it's hot, it's yellow. And this is cherry cola. So this just changes from like a darker, whoa, this is like purple. I thought this was like a red shade, judging from the bottle. Ooh, that's got some fantasy written all over it. Okay, I wonder if I could stick this swatch in my lamp and it would actually change color. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out though. We'll table this for a second. Actually, we won't, because I got the red poly gel here called Hip. How much were these guys? Let me see. These were $9.99. Like I said, I couldn't find this exact shade on their website. However, all of their duet ones are $9.99. Now, moving right along, we have the poly gel in Hip. This one came in a set, like just based on a little bit of math. I'm gonna say it was $9.99. Now this is a 30 ml bottle, not their typical 60, so it's a smaller bottle, but usually that's what they do when they do kits. I really should just start unboxing these like off camera, but this is like blood. Oh my god, it's like the best shade of red lipstick. You know what I mean? Like everybody's red. Like it would go good with anyone's skin tone kind of red. Like that a lot. And for our last items, we actually have their nail dehydrator and primer. I don't own their dehydrator or primer, but I'm excited to see if it works. As you guys know, I have been using the Young Nails one for like a few months now. At first I was like, this doesn't do anything, but the more that I use it, I realize it actually is really great. But I do use a regular dehydrator. I use one from Model 1s, but I would like to throw another one like in the rotation, you know, just to see. Oh, one thing I will like shout out to Makartt in general is their packaging. I love their packaging. Like most of their polishes come in this really cool like squishy foam package, and you just kind of like pop it out. These are also gigantic bottles. Like the amount of primer and dehydrator. Let me just hold on one sec. If you haven't seen me use this, seriously, like this is 15 milliliters and this is 7.5. All right, so it's not that, it's like twice the size, but this is also like 3 times the price. This primer and dehydrator is $11.99. I think this is like $20, like $24 for this little teeny thing. Yes, I get that it's a huge company, but it's crazy. It's crazy to me that I pay that much money for something so tiny. I mean, these will, they're so giant, you will never get through a full bottle of this. You just won't. So kudos to you, Makartt, because you're doing something right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to like pop these guys in the lamp, and then I'll come back for kind of like, you know, my final opinion. Hold on a second. You might not get the full effect just because it's on paper, but they change colors. That's so cool. Look, you can see it cooling down. All right, that's fun. I like that. It's really cool. Yeah, definitely will be, and this is hard too. Oh, also want to mention, I'm an idiot because of course this is regular nail polish. It's in a glass, like a clear bottle. In case you didn't know, most gel products come in a solid opaque bottle. Otherwise they would cure just by like the sunlight or other UV rays that they might come in contact with. So that should have been like a dead giveaway to me, but I wasn't thinking because they don't typically give us nail polish. All right, guys. So, you know they did it again. They always do. Come on. Well, this month's box is $89. Obviously, that's a little, you know, leeway with a couple products here and there that I couldn't find the price about. However, I am still excited to play with all this stuff, and I think there's like some really cool, like innovative products here, and I can't wait to play with it all and create a look just for you guys. So please let me know what you want to see first. I have a couple different looks in mind, you know, definitely fall, just standard fall look, and like some spooky ooky fun looks to do as well. So you let me know what you want to see, and always don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you're watching, but you're not subscribed yet, so go down there and click the button and like this video and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.